one thing I think that was great about Accelerate was being able to glean from the best of the best, but also to network with other church leaders who are either ahead of you or trying to implement some of the ideas and concepts that we talk about. And also too, it's so encouraging just to learn that even as you make a paradigm shift to structure for growth, in one sense, it is easier than you anticipate, and yet at the same time too, requires investment in time, but that's what we're here for, to change the kingdom and change people's lives.
I think my favorite thing about Accelerate was really just the time around tables with other small group point people. I left feeling encouraged and inspired every day that we were here. And then probably my most favorite thing was just how practical it is. I feel like I'm leaving with a plan, not just a plan for tomorrow, but a plan for the next 12 to 18 months, and I'm really encouraged to go out and do what we were inspired to do.
One of the great things that we learned over the last 3 days was the immense and powerful training. Steve Glade and his team came down and invested deeply into us, but we learned how to strategize, network, but also create plans of sustainability for our small groups, which are going to change and transform the church that I pastor called Real Life Wesleyan Church. It is an amazing 3 days. I encourage anybody who wants to learn how to do small groups better to come to the Accelerate Conference. You will be changed, your life will be changed, your ministry changed, and more importantly, your community is going to be changed because of what's happened.